Hello guys and welcome back to App Only's channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Viber activation failed. If you are experiencing issue with Viber activation on your phone and are seeing an activation failed message, there could be several reasons for this problem. Here are some general steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable and active internet connection. Viber requires an internet connection for activation. Make sure your phone's date and time setting are correct. Incorrect date and time setting can cause activation issue. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Viber. In app info of Viber, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. After that, update Viber app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Viber. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure that you have latest version of Viber app. Uninstall Viber from your phone and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. This can often fix issue related to corrupted app files. Verify phone number. Double check that you have entered your phone number correctly during the activation process. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes changing the network can help with activation. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.